Do you know that there are some certain things you don't know about Liquor Rose? Do you know that there are a lot of hidden facts about her? Anyways, guys, right here on this video, I'm going to show you all those things you need to know, okay? Know more about her. Hi, guys. Welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are popping. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. That's according to your time. It depends wherever you are watching me from. So guys, and yes, if you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. If you're a silent viewer, mwah, I love you, but don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Okay, so guys, what are those things that you need to know about Liquor Rose? Yes, a lot of things. We have a lot of things. Okay, let's dive straight into the video. So guys, here this person posted saying the big fish has already been a big fish way before BBN. She have been a video vixen in more than 50 videos with Nigeria top artists like Davido, P-Square, Wizkid, Fino, etc. and influencer to Rixari, Techno Mobile and other brands before BBN. Our millionaire TikToker with more than 2 million followers, she has been an actress since her childhood, starting with the series called The Johnson, successful and popular dancer, the only 2021 housemate to be on newspaper, the only housemate in history to be signed by her management in the air, a celebrity before BBN, ambassador for big companies. Let's not forget our big fish is an artist. Yes, of course, she's an artist, a co-host to one of the biggest show in Nigeria, simple and kind-hearted cars owner, won over 20 plus million naira in BB Niger. First runner-up, most respected 2021 housemate, a celebrity to your fav, self-made boss, most followed 2021 housemate. She have achieved a lot before BB Niger. Respect the big fish. Okay, now let's move over to the main thing. Over here are some the facts of the artists she have featured in their videos. Some of the videos that Liquor Rose and her GGB dance crew have featured include Don't Tell Me Nonsense by D'banj, Ice Prince, Oleku, Olamide, Shakiti Bobo, and Duro Soke, Wanda Cool, Baby Hello, Banky W, Good Morning Loving, Pato Ranking, Alu Barika, Dami Crane, Sabi Dance, Fowls, High Class, and Syntizo, Mama A. High Class and Syntizo, Mama A, Reminisce, Fantasy, okay, Files, Currency, Flavor featuring Wandaku, Wake Up, Burna Boy, Run My Race, Buke, Shoki, Orezi, Shoki, P-Square featuring T.I., LA Ajo, The listed are among many others. She has perfectly portrayed her roles in all the videos and she has appeared inside. And guys, see here, this is just the beginning of what you are going to see. Let's move over to the next one. Do not forget to hit that bell subscribe button. Okay, here are the music videos that she has featured in with top celebrities. Okay, here first D'banj, Don't Tell Me Nonsense. Second, Ice Prince, Oleku. Third, Banky W, Good Morning Love, Good Loving. Fourth, Pato Ranking featuring Timaya. The third one, what's this guy's name? Dami Crane. The sixth one is Fowls. 7, Syntizo. 8, Reminisce. 9, Fowls. 10, Flavor featuring Wandaku. The 11th one, Leakage. The 12th one, Leakage featuring Davido and Olamide. And the 13th one, Orezi. The 14th one, Wandaku. The 15th one, P-Square featuring TJ. The 16th one, Mavins featuring Don Jazzy, Ricardo Banks, Korede Bero, Adobe, and others. The 17th one, DJ Spicy featuring Hakim, The Dream, CDO, whatever. Right, the next one, Two Face featuring Michelle Montana. The 19th one is here is Tim Maya. The 20th Rugged Man, guys, a lot. DJ, Peaceware, Two-Face, Vector, a lot of them. Let's continue. Over here, the Tim Maya, we have Tim Maya, we have Bliss, we have Olamide, we have Wondercool, we have The Prince, we have Ketchup, we have Ketchup again. In fact, guys, the list is too long. The 35th one, Sound Sultan featuring Wizkid. May Sound Sultan's soul rest in peace. Amen. The 36th one here, DJ Exclusive featuring Olamide Ibebe. The 37th one, 4x4 featuring Davido Baby Dance. The 38th one here is Mehdi. And the 39 here is Davido. The 40th is Ozone All Night. The 41 is Ozone 1000. 42 Burna Boy. 43 Young L. 44 P-Square Shekini. 45 Kama. 46 Scales. 47 Olamide. 48 Files Elobe. 49 Sintizio Eruke Sayepo. The 50th Scales again, Loli. 51 Scales Mujos. 52 El Kudi featuring Young 6 or Young Nice or 6, I don't know. 53 Scales, guys. The list is too long. And right here, she has also appeared on newspaper. It says Edo extols Liquor Rose comportment performance in BB Niger. And again, this is from Michael Ebojule from Benin City. It says the Edo state government has held Roselyn Afije, a native of this state, better known as Liquor Rose, on her emergence as the first runner-up in the 6th season of the reality television show Big Brother Nigeria. The government, in a statement by Chief of Staff to the Governor Osaibovo Iyoha, said Liquor Rose comportment and character, which endeared her to fans across the country, stood her out in the 10 weeks spent in Big Brother's house. Okay, he says on behalf of the Edo state government, I'm not seeing what they wrote down there. It also says right up here, also known as Liquor Rose, on her emergence as the first runner-up in the Big Brother Niger reality show. She put up a good showing with a dignified pose and character that earned her fans across the country. During her time on the show, she was martial and this girl, you are going worldwide though. She was martial and good-mannered. It was not surprising that she became fans' favorites in a short while. In fact, it's not even surprising self at all. And right over here, yes, you guys should also know that she has featured in The Johnsons. Yes, if you all know that series that is going on DSTV, and I think again they are showing it on Go TV again. She has featured in The Johnsons in year 2012. Okay, and right here is another music video that she has featured in so many music videos, in case you do not know. Okay, and here is one of them. Let's head over to the next one. And right over here, even while in Big Brother's house, during all their tasks, games, whatever is it they are doing in Big Brother's house, Liquor Rose won over 20.5 million from task. 20.5 million naira Nigerian currency from task. Guys, from task. Okay? And after Big Brother again, she has been winning, she has been signing, she has been this, she has been that, she has been doing a lot of things. Okay, guys, in case you do not know, guys, 20.5 million naira is not small amount of money. Guys, if they bring 20.5 million naira for you to count, I'm sure some of you will not even be able to count them. So see, 20.5 million, she won that in Big Brother's house, came out of Big Brother, and she's still winning. She bought a car, she's doing stuff for herself. She was a celebrity before Big Brother. Okay? Just know that and no peace. Okay, guys, I think this is where I will be ending this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit on that bell subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all those beautiful good stuff. Until I come here next time again, for now, peace out. And anywhere you're watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. That's according to your time. It depends wherever you are watching me from. Once again, I love you. Peace out. Happy New Year. Mwah.